If you are looking for an efficient yard tool, this Greenworks 40-volt cordless string trimmer review is for you. This powerful trimmer offers gas-like performance without hassle, making lawn maintenance easy, eco-friendly, and perfect for maintaining pristine suburban yards.
List 1. Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch brushless, attachment-capable, cordless string trimmer Gen 2. The Greenworks 40-volt 16-inch brushless cordless string trimmer Gen 2 delivers gas-like power without the maintenance hassle. Engineered with a highly efficient brushless motor, it provides maximum torque and extended tool life. Its 16-inch cutting path clears large patches of heavy weeds quickly, while the dual-line bump feed head makes line advancement smooth and immediate. The standout feature is its attachment-capable straight shaft, allowing you to convert the tool into an edger, pole saw, or cultivator. Because it is sold as a bare tool, it is an excellent value if you already own compatible Greenworks 40-volt batteries.
List 2. Greenworks 40-volt cordless string trimmer and leaf blower combo kit. Perfect for comprehensive yard maintenance, this Greenworks 40-volt combo kit packages a versatile 12-inch or 13-inch string trimmer alongside a high-velocity leaf blower. The trimmer features an automatic feed head, utilizing standard 0.065-inch dual lines, removing the frustration of manual line adjustments. Bundled with a 2.0 Ah battery, charger, and a replacement line spool, this all-in-one kit handles clean trimming and debris clearing in one session. The lightweight ergonomics make it exceptionally comfortable for managing medium-sized suburban lawns efficiently.
List 3. Trimmer string spool compatible with Greenworks, 0.065-inch single-line nylon string. Keeping your trimmer running smoothly requires reliable replacement components. This pack of auto-feed string trimmer spools offers direct compatibility with Greenworks weed eaters. Each spool holds 16 feet of premium 0.065-inch single-line nylon string, optimized to minimize drag and resist premature snapping against fences or hard brick edging. The pre-wound, factory-balanced spools eliminate the tedious task of hand-winding line, ensuring smooth, automatic line advancement without tangles or mid-job interruptions.
List 4. Greenworks 40-volt 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer. When it comes to shaping overgrown bushes and branches, the Greenworks 40-volt 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer offers robust cutting muscle. Featuring dual-action steel blades with a substantial 1-inch cutting capacity, it slices cleanly through thick twigs without jamming or vibrating excessively. The extended 24-inch reach speeds up large hedge clearing jobs. As a tool-only option, it integrates seamlessly into an existing Greenworks 40-volt lineup, utilizing your current batteries to save upfront hardware costs.
List 5. Works 3-in-1 cordless string trimmer, lawn edger, mini mower. The Works 20-volt 3-in-1 tool offers ultimate versatility for smaller yards and tight spaces. Weighing just 4.6 pounds, it shifts seamlessly from a 12-inch string trimmer to a wheeled walk-behind edger and even clicks into a mini mower deck. Its proprietary command feed system uses an on-demand button pull to instantly advance fresh line when you choose. Equipped with batteries and a charger, it provides an all-inclusive, highly maneuverable yard solution. Investing in the right outdoor power equipment transforms routine lawn maintenance from a tedious chore into an efficient, satisfying task. The Greenworks 40V platform excels by delivering long runtime, zero-emission operation, and interchangeable battery convenience across a massive ecosystem of yard tools. Whether you need a heavy-duty brushless trimmer or a lightweight multi-tool, these cordless innovations offer the precise balance of power and reliability needed to keep your property pristine.